ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವು. ಗುರುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು.
ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಗಡಿಯಾರನು 2 ಸಲ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೈಮ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇರೋದು ಸೋಲಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಅವಕಾಶನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರೋದು ಸೋಲು. ಆಟದ ಆರಂಭಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಸಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಅಂತ್ಯಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಸಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ನದು ಆರಂಭದ ವಿಸಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ.
We are here today to celebrate and honor the guiding lights of our lives, our teachers, and we also celebrate the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan, who inspires, guides, encourages, love, and shapes us into who we are meant to become.
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, born on 1888 and died on 1975. He was a distinguished Indian philosopher, scholar, and statesman who served as the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. His birthday is on September 5th. It is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India.
Welcome the stars of today's program. Are you a teacher who shaped mind, touch hearts, and build the future? Let us give a big round of applause and welcome our pillars of wisdom, who have lit our path with knowledge and value. To begin this beautiful occasion, I now invite Midin Mirashi, our senior, to come forward and warmly welcome the gathering. Let us welcome him with a big round of applause.
And to all my dear friends, it is a great pleasure to welcome you all to this special occasion as we come together to celebrate teachers.
There is a beautiful message happening. We need to connect with you and express our thanks. And I invite our choir to come forward and lead us into prayer song. Dignify and respect for the light of learning. And I invite our I would like to invite Gayatri, our senior, to come forward and share her thoughts on this special occasion. Let us welcome her with a big round of applause as she expresses her gratitude and admiration.
Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day, a dedicated day to the guiding lights of our lives. A teacher is not just someone who explains a lesson from a book. A teacher is someone who builds our confidence, shapes our character and helps us to discover the best within ourselves. They are like candles, burning themselves to light the path for others.
Thank you for your wonderful and heartfelt speech. Your words truly reflected the respect and admiration. Now let us get ready to be delightful. Our little stars, just like tiny chirping birds, full of joy and energy, are ready to take the stage with a lovely and colorful dance performance. So let us put our hands together as our performance are going to light up the stage.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है जश्नबाजी की शाम है दिल के ताल पे ठुमके लगा
तेरी शक्ल में दिल रंगीन हुई टूटे वाला होगा बेशाकिल हुई दुनिया चलती है तो चले दुनिया चलती है तो चले रात भर साल मगे संग लगे साल
मखमल गालों वाली मस्त ख्यालों वाली चल चल चालों वाली छुपा छुपी खेलने लगी कंचन काची कोरी नटखट नाम छोरी जब रंग चोरा चोरी छुपा छुपी खेलने लगी ओ केटी को बर्फ बदन है केटी को सुल्फ बदन है मुश्किल जीना खाना रे मुश्किल यार आशिकी मुश्किल सोना गाना रे मुश्किल यार आशिकी
Delightful and energetic performance. A big thank you to our little stars. It is time to invite our estimate manager
To share a few words on the special occasion of Teachers' Day.
I was just thinking, what would teacher stand for? The acronym of teacher, what I understand is T stands for tolerance. T for tolerance. Our profession as teachers will be successful or meaningful only when you are tolerant. If you are not tolerant, if you are impatient, if you get angry at everything, I think there will not be any student in our class. Everyone is going to go home. Good to go home. But if you are tolerant, if you are patient, we will find wonderful things. Gold, to reach its gold or worth, it has to be furnace. And not once or twice, 7 times it has to go the difficult process. And our children will have to do that. And for that we need to be very, very patient and tolerant. E for enduring. It's not easy. Same thing again and again. We get irritated. But endurance is the virtue that we teachers need to practice. Endure till we get the results. And third one is A, is for affectionate, loving. Our teachers, our students, when they come to the school, they look at us, not only teachers, but we become the mothers or the parents for them. We are the second parents. When they cry, when they are down, when they are not in the best of their mood, I think we need to stand for them. We become very confident of them. They share their problems, the difficulties, their struggles. And that's why we need to be very, very affectionate, very loving. Let the child be able to share the difficulties and struggles. That's a friendship that we have to do. Third one is C, that is C for clever. We need to be intelligent. I don't expect us to be super intelligent and knowing everything, not sarvajnas, knowing everything. But our subject we need to know well. We have to teach not only as much we know, because today's world is very competitive. We have to teach, we have to learn, then teach, and only our life will be meaningful. Yach is harmonious. Harmonious means all trying to be more and more generous to everyone, harmonious to everyone. There should not be any partiality. As teachers, we should not be partial, rather we should be impartial to everyone. Every child is ours. The child may be naughty, child may be not doing well, child may be not studying well, but they are our children. Everyone is important, everyone is equal. And E is for elegant, calm and serene. We need to be that. Very serene, very calm and very elegant in our looks, not only external but internal. The beauty is not outside of a teacher, the beauty is inside. From the glow of our heart, we must have a glow on our face. And finally, R is respectable. We need to respect in order to give respect, get respect. If we as teachers are able to respect our children, they will always be able to respect us. If our words, our talks, our behavior is not respectable, they will not respect us.
It's time to move into most awaited moment of the celebration, the cake cutting and gift distribution ceremony.
I now invite our today's stars to come forward along with the principal and manager to cut the cake and receive our token of love.
ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ಗುರುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು.
ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಗಡಿಯಾರನು 2 ಸಲ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೈಮ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇರೋದು ಸೋಲಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಅವಕಾಶನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರೋದು ಸೋಲು. ಆಟದ ಆರಂಭಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಸಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಅಂತ್ಯಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಸಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ನದು ಆರಂಭದ ವಿಸಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ಗುರುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಗಡಿಯಾರನು 2 ಸಲ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೈಮ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇರೋದು ಸೋಲಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಅವಕಾಶನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರೋದು ಸೋಲು. ಆಟದ ಆರಂಭಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಸಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಅಂತ್ಯಕ್ಕೂ ವಿಸಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ನದು ಆರಂಭದ ವಿಸಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ.
teachers yesterday, and the results are actually corrected by brother. I am not part of it. So, who do this to it? Teachers? Okay, the first prize goes to, second prize goes to teacher Meenakshi. But Andur is second prize. Take photo. Now we take photo. Where is it? Now we take. And the first prize goes to Andrew. Congratulations. And teachers, please, next time you should win. Lucy, I go to learn it. And we had a different competition for all the uncles and the aunties. And the second prize goes to among aunties and uncles. Second prize. Raju Manages. And the first prize, can you guess? That is between husband and wife. I do not know what was the man fixing. Regina Manages. And we have a consolation prize as well. Regina. First prize, Regina. And a special consolation prize to Auntie Shravani. Shravani. She knows Bahat at least. She did not write, but she knows Bahat. Thank you and congratulations to the winners.
Thank you, teacher, for listening to small token of love. Let us welcome our seniors to perform and rock the stage by the performance.
my profession as a teacher after my 12th standard. That is 1992. Almost it is 33 years running.
33 years. That is, listen, my experience being the teacher. Okay, what is the experience from the students? We would like to know, teacher, what is your experience?
I worked in Gargoti as a teacher. My father had sent me there because my English was good, I was called in. And then there I started working as a founder teacher when I can say I was paid nothing for 8 years. My service was paid nothing, zero. But I can tell you, when I started as a job, I can say here in Mount Carmel, I was paid little better comparatively. I was working in Indira Vidyalaya for 4 years after marriage, where I used to pray every day I should get an opportunity to teach in this school, because that surroundings I was liking. Actually, to tell you very frankly, I have come from teacher's background itself. My brother was a teacher, and now at my father-in-law's house, most of my brothers-in-laws, my in-laws are teachers. Today, one of my sister-in-law is unconscious. She's in coma, she's not, but she was the first teacher of Indira Vidyalaya. I'm remembering her today. Everyone recognizes her as Alvarez teacher and not me or my co-sister. Full my family is the teacher's family. For example, I tell you, when I was sick, I was suffering from cancer, you must be knowing. I was under the chemo. Doctor had not permitted me to make anyone to enter my house. But my children, Mount Carmel's children, used to come and cry. They used to put their head down and cry. Say, teacher, nothing will happen to you. They were, one of the boys from, I don't remember his name, he had asked his grandfather to pray for me when they were going a masjid, to say that they say. And that his grandfather used to tell me that Huzef is there, no, Huzef some relatives, Huzef cousin maybe. Their grandfather used to tell me, my grandchild is not eating. He stopped eating, teacher, because you're sick. And they said, you will come back. Now some of my students asked me for the medical, what we can do? Shall we send money to you? In that I don't remember the names of children. One from this Tinekhat, one boy who is working in the foreign country, other teachers must be knowing. He calls me and asks me, teacher, I want to send money for your treatment. Children, when I come here, I don't know how to express it, but I tell you, I am the luckiest person to come this job as an accident job, because unfortunately I entered in this profession, and here I got lots of love. Now also I can hug my children, I can kiss my children, I can understand their troubles. Maybe they are not sharing with their parents.
That time only Father Paris Lobo has come as a new father to our church. So that time I was taking a tuitions afternoon time. But that day itself he saw how I'm teaching and how I'm dealing with the children. Those who are not able to write, read. So many students, total 30 students was there in my home that time. And my home was also very small. But students were sitting, they were arranging themselves. And they were trying to learn. So Father Paris Lobo, he is the first person in my life. He thought that I can be a teacher and I can teach in school very well. So he took me, he came on the June first day of before school, and he called me to the school tomorrow, anyhow you are coming. And even he told that bus driver also, uncle, to wait there to blow a horn and bring the teacher to the school. So he took me as a teacher, and I'm really thankful to the Father Felix Lobo today, and I really miss him. And today I'm very happy after teaching so many years also. Again, now we are crossed 35, so I will say again I am with the fathers only. So I'm very happy to teach here in the convent school back. Thank you so much.
As a student, your first and primary role is to respect your teachers. So dear students, why I call these two teachers, to know they are praying as a teachers. Teachers care for you, they love you, they want you to be good in the society. That means you need to, in return, you too need to respect their feelings. I wish that all the students see that whenever you meet a teacher on the road, or speak something unwanted aspect of the teachers, be aware of this. We don't expect the students to speak anything ill about the teacher. Am I clear to all the students? Say that respect your teachers. From teachers you will get the many blessings. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring words and for reminding us the true essence of teaching and learning.
Get ready to smile, laugh, and maybe one get reflected little.
Here are our talented boys of 10th grade to perform a dance.
हेलो पंडित जी, यहाँ बहुत बेहतर थोड़ा सा आप कृपया करके यहाँ आ जाइए। ठीक है, हमारे पंडित जी?
अरे ई का हम तो एक ही बुद्ध बुलाए थे, यहाँ तो पूरा भौचरी आ गया है।
When words fall short, the body speaks, and when emotions overflow, we dance. Here are our seniors to await your by their energetic perform. Let us put our hands together and welcome them.
कोई टिक टिक खाला किसे नु नखरोनी पिटी कोई
everyone. First, I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you to our teachers. Your dedication, hard work, and endless patience shape our minds and futures every single day. Thank you for being our guides, mentors, and our inspirations. I would also like to thank our principal and our manager for their continuous guidance and support. Finally, I would like to thank the students who performed today, the dancers, the singers, and the students who put on stage. Your performance made this a truly celebration. Thank you.
The first game is of guessing the teachers. Guessing the teachers. Guessing the teachers. In first round, we'll select two teachers. One teacher will stand in front of the board and one teacher will stand behind the board. And we'll write a name of one teacher. You have to do acting and you have to tell.
Thank you, sir. Anish, sir.
Next, I'm calling Andrew sir and Balakrishna sir.
Brother. Manjunath.
Arun sir. Next, I'm calling for Raju uncle and Anthony uncle.
First standard.
Mother teacher. Afri teacher.
Father Mohin.